Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is how you can make PayPal money instantly. I mean right now. Anybody that needs some PayPal money right now who already got a PayPal account, what you want to do, I'm going to put some links below this video. What you want to do is sign up for Coinbase, where you have your own cryptocurrency wallets. It's going to be 3 different links that I'm going to put up. And you sign up and you can earn some money and cash it out to PayPal. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So what you want to do after you sign up with Coinbase and get in your account, this is the first page you'll see. You see it's the home page right here. What you want to do is scroll down where it says earn crypto, and then you want to click on that link, and all you got to do is watch some videos and make money. I've made money, I don't know how much, probably close to about anywhere from $80 to $100 just watching videos. And after you watch these videos, they're going to quiz you on one little question about it, and if you get it wrong, they're going to give you the question again until you get it right, and then put that money in your Coinbase wallets for the different cryptocurrencies, like this one, Orchid right here. Okay. You earn $4 when you watch lesson 1. And then they, like I said, they're going to quiz you. You just answer that question right. If you get it wrong, they're going to ask you again till you get it right, and they're going to put the money in your OXT wallet. Okay. The next video, which is lesson 2, the same thing. After you watch it, you're going to earn $4 after you watch it. And the videos, by the way, usually no longer than about 3 minutes, most of them. And they're going to quiz you. You make $4 and so on and so forth. And you just keep going down. And you also can make some money when you invite people too as well. So, okay, when you go, after you get through and you done watched all the videos, go to portfolio. Okay. It's going to show, okay, Orchid, which is your OXT wallet. You're going to see the money right here. Okay. And then what you want to do, you want to click on the trade button because you want to get your cash. So you just sell it, and then sell what kind of crypto. You go right to Orchid. I've already cashed out my Orchid. It's going to show how much you have usually right here. If not, you will see it down here, and you just type in the amount you want to sell. And then once you hit sell, it's going to instantly go into your USD wallet. Okay, then after that, all you got to do is you will see it right here in your balance. Okay, you've sold it into US dollars, and you're going to see it right here after you sold it how much. And Coinbase is going to take about $1 to $1.49 out of that. Okay, then all you got to do is let's see what a button is. You should see a withdraw button either on the portfolio page or the home page. But see, the reason I don't see it, wait a minute, just a second. Oh, excuse me. I got confused. No, You just go to US dollars. That's what you do. Yeah. And then it'll show your balance right there. And then you hit withdraw. After you hit withdraw, you can either transfer the money to your bank account or you can cash it out straight to PayPal. I prefer PayPal. So it's no way for me to show you that because I've recently just cashed out. You see, I just cashed out just 2 days ago. After the fees, I made $12, but after the fees, it was $10.34 to my PayPal right there. And you can see I withdrew money over time. Or I sold some Ethereum, or I sold some Tezos. But guess what? When you go back to the home page, I was just showing you earning money from Orchid. But you can go back to the Earn Crypto tab, earn Tezos, and watch all those videos. You see why I've earned $6, $20. Orchid, I made some money. You saw that. Die, I make some money in those too. And I can make some more money by referring. And they got all kind of cryptocurrency. You just watch the videos, like I said, and once you see it in your wallet on the portfolio, you just, like I told you, once you see it on your wallet on portfolio, whatever one that you earned the money in, these are your wallets. Like I say, go to trade, go to sale, then whatever cryptocurrency it is, you just sell it. And then you will see it in your USD. Then you go to USD, you hit withdraw, you withdraw to your bank account, or you can withdraw to PayPal. Now, your bank account, it might take a couple of days, but your PayPal account, it'll be in there about 15 to 20 seconds. So, I think they got about 3 currencies where you can start earning money right now today. And I'm going to put the 3 links below. And you can start earning money, and then you can refer people and earn even more money. That's where you really make some good money. So I'm going to put the link below. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to put a link to my blog. And y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.